Good morning everyone. My name is Akshay. Today I want to tell you about the plastering. The plastering is also an important thing that it gives structural durability and aesthetic appearance for the wall. Today I want to tell you about the plastering we want to done is 100 square meters and thickness is 12 mm. The ratio of cement mortar is 1:4 and the thickness of plastering is half inch as 1 inch is 24 mm and half inch and 12 mm is approximately half inch. The quantity of plastering is 100 meter square and the thickness is 0.012 meter and the quantity of plastering is 1.2 meter. Now we have to calculate the dry volume of mortar as we want to add 30% more, so 1.3 into 1.2 meter cube as the dry volume of mortar is 1.56 meter cube. Now we have to calculate about the quantity of cement. The quantity of cement we have to find is 1 by 1 plus 4 into 1.56 meter cube and the quantity of cement is 0.312 meter cube. Why we have write 1 by 1 plus 4 is the ratio, as we want to multiply we has to multiply that cement 0.312 meter cube into 29 bags, as per 1 meter cube it fills 29 bags, so the quantity of cement bag is 9.4 bags as approximately 9 bags. Now we are calculating the sand, as the part of 4 is the sand is 4, so we are multiplying 4 times of cement as 1.248 meter cube. In 1 meter cube it fills up to 1.6 ton per meter square, as we are multiplying 1.248 into 1.6, so the quantity of sand is 1.996 ton. Now we obtain the quantity of cement and sand. Now we have to calculate about rate analysis. Now we are calculating rate analysis of plastering, as rate analysis is finding the amount required for every item of work. Now we are calculating the rate analysis for materials as cement and sand. The quantity we obtained is 9 bags for cement, as 1 bag cost 450 rupees and the total amount for 9 bags is 4068 rupees. Now we are calculating the sand. The amount of sand we get is 1.996 ton, as per 1 ton 775 rupees. For the 2 tons, approximately 2 tons, the amount we obtained for sand is 1546 rupees. The total amount we get for cement and sand is 5615 rupees. Now we are calculating the quantity for workmen. The workmen we want for plastering is mason and helper, as for 100 meter square means here 10 meters and 10 meters, so for 100 meter square 10 into 1 is equal to 10 members. We want 10 masons. For 1 mason is 900 per day, as per day 9000. Sorry, for total amount of work it is 9000. Now the helpers we want is 1.5 into 10 is equal to 15 helpers, so per 1 day 750 rupees. The total amount required for helpers is 11,250. The amount total for cement, the materials and workmen is 20,250 rupees. Now we have to add sunrise 3%, as 3% is 0.03 and total amount here the sunrise cost is 607.5 rupees and the total amount is 26,473 rupees. The overhead cost is 15%, as overhead cost means the other expenses for workmen and for materials is 15%, as the total amount for overhead cost is 3,971. The total cost after overhead cost adding overhead cost is 30,441. Now we have to add contractors profit as 10% here. By adding 10% in the 30,441, it is here 3,044 rupees, as the total cost 30,444 plus 30,045 rupees, as adding contractors profit. Here the total amount we get. For total cost, the total cost for 100 meter square plastering is here 33,489 rupees. Now I calculated per meter square, we got 334.89 rupees. Thank you for watching. Please follow for civil engineering content.